I will show you how to deactivate Facebook account. Open your Facebook. Then click the profile picture at the bottom right. Then go to Settings and Privacy. Click Settings. Then press Meta Account Center. Go to Personal Details. Then Account Ownerships and Control. Select Deactivation or Deletion. Select which account you want to deactivate. After that, click Continue. You will be asked to confirm the code first, via your email. Check your email later, there will be a code sent. Enter the code. Enter your account password. After that, you will be asked about why you deactivate your account. After that, click Continue. Congratulations, you have successfully deactivated your account.
Thanks you for watching, and if you haven't subscribed yet, be sure you hit subscribe button.